Yes, construction. Line XY measures 6 centimeters. Using a pair of compass and a ruler, draw a perpendicular bisector of XY. This is the line we want to bisect. So before we bisect, we need first of all to understand some terms here. Bisecting. To bisect is to cut into two at the center, drawing a transversal line or a line that is going to meet x, y at the center. At the center. If it is perpendicular bisector, it means this angle which will be formed here, the angle which will be formed here should be 90 degrees. So this is very simple. Just pay attention. Pay attention. We are being told using a compass, a pair of compass and a ruler. Just construct this. So first of all, before we continue, we are being told to use a pair of compass. Of course, we have a pencil. So this is the compass and the pencil. Then we have a ruler. So these are what we want to use, these two. So what do we do? Let us do it on the piece of paper.
So this is what we are going to do. This is the compass. Of course, it has a pencil. Let us fix the pencil. So you make sure you fix them firmly. One of the characteristics of your compass is that it should not dance. It should be firm. So you make sure you fix this adjusting knob. This is the handle where you are going to hold, and this is the foot. Don't hold the foot or the leg and let it be free. So this is where we handle firmly. Now our line is here, XY, which is measuring 6 centimeters. So the best thing is adjust your compass into a reasonable size, and then stepping on one side of the X, extend your compass like this, just like that. Then you make two arcs, one at the top and another one at the bottom. Let us start with this one on the Y. So I'm stepping there and holding the tails. So you should extend your size of the compass, the distance, the radius of your compass to a reasonable size. So now make an arc at the top just like this, and another one at the bottom, another one at the bottom like this. Then after that, don't change this size of the compass. Don't change it, okay? So change to the other side, press there at X now. Then you press at X. Now don't change the size. So you press at X and now make two arcs. Repeat the arcs, one at the top and another one at the bottom. So this is the top and another one on the bottom here. So where the two arcs meet, make sure you mark that place. So you can have a spare pencil or just exchange them just the way you have done. Now, this is where the two arcs have intersected. This is called the point of intersection of the arcs, and another one here. So now that is where we are going to join. That is where the use of the ruler again comes in. So I place my ruler there and then I mark the place. I think you can see it. So it is here and the other one is here. So now I draw a perpendicular bisector joining the two intersections like this. By the way, your pencil should be sharp, very sharp for accuracy, and your compass should be fixed. Your ruler should be well straight, and so on. Now, we have drawn a perpendicular bisector of line XY, which was 6 centimeters. We want to test whether, we can call this O, whether XO, because we are bisecting 6, XO should be half of 6. And half of 6 is, yes, half of 6 is 3. So this place here from X to O should be 3 centimeters. Since we do not have a protractor, let us just confirm with our ruler or our compass. Yeah, accurately. Yes, you can see it, 3 centimeters exactly at 3. So this is 3 centimeters. Even this other one is 3 centimeters. So it was that simple. We have bisected the line XY, which was 6 centimeters. Very simple.